Okay, so today we are going to talk about an extension called Tab Snooze. So in order to get this extension, we are going to go to the Chrome Web Store. In order to search for it, you're going to go with Tab Snooze. You will see here that I already have this installed. Once it is installed, it does look like this little extension button here called Snooze This Tab. If I wanted to snooze a tab, we're going to go to my default of frogs. If I am looking up frogs on Wikipedia and I want to see this tab later, I am going to do that by clicking on this little half moon. When I click on this, it's going to ask when I want to see this tab again, whether that's later today, tomorrow evening, tomorrow, next weekend, next week, in a month, someday, repeatedly, or to pick a date. As soon as I click on one of those buttons, it's going to make the tab go away, and it's going to bring it back at that time. In order to see what tabs that I already have sleeping, I can click here and it will show me a list of all of the tabs that I currently have sleeping that are going to come back at a specific time. So if I do want to see them earlier, I do have the option of clicking on them here.